How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Intro. Are you seeing the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram? Don't worry, this quick guide will help you fit step by step. Fix 1. Check internet connection. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If your signal is weak, restart your router or toggle airplane mode on and off. Fix 2. Restart the Instagram app. Next, close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a quick restart is all you need to clear temporary glitches. Fix 3. Clear cache Android only. If you're on Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, tap on Storage, and hit Clear Cache. This clears temporary files that may be causing the error. Fix 4. Update Instagram. Check if there's an update available for Instagram in your App Store or Play Store. Using an outdated version can lead to errors like this. Fix 5. Log out and log back in. Try logging out of your account and logging back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve feed issues. Fix 6. Reinstall Instagram. If the problem continues, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. This ensures you have a clean, updated version of the app. Fix 7. Check Instagram server status. Visit downdetector.com or Instagram's official Twitter page to see if the servers are down. If it's a server issue, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Fix 8. Set date and time automatically. Go to your phone settings and make sure your date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect settings can prevent Instagram from syncing your feed. Bonus tip: check for account restrictions. If your account has any violations or restrictions, you might face this error. Check your email or Instagram notifications for any alerts from Instagram. And that's it. If your issue still isn't fixed, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips.